Hello students, I hope you all are fine and you are enjoying your studies. We are already started chapter which is completely based on India. We have already covered all the maps, physical as well as political division. In the last lecture I already explained you about their introduction, their extent, the political divisions, boundaries, the neighboring countries. Today I am going to explain you about the physical division of India. This physical division of India. Physical division of India, it means how our country India is divided. Basically, in India, all the physical type of condition is available, like mountains, plains, plateaus, desert, plains, island. Okay, it means all the types of content is available in our India. And before starting this lecture, I request you, I explained you, please first of all see or read all the maps. Please read book once before you are going to watch this video. First of all, please read the book. Otherwise, it is very difficult to understand. Because in this chapter, your work is more as compared to me. Because it is completely based on the locations, and locations. I can explain only the main brief part, but there are so many names which you have to learn, which there is no need to explain. Okay, and if I'm going to explain these all words, the lecture video will be become more than 2 hours. So because of the time limitations, and there is no use, even also there is no use because you have to learn the names where it is what location, but the basic structure I will explain you. Okay, so today I'm going to start the physical division. Already I told there are 6 types of physical division. First of all, I cover the mountains. In the mountains, there is a different mountain ranges you see. I already told you where it is extend from where it is started in the map section. I already explained you. Okay, directions I already explained you. If you understand these directions and so you can write by your own. Okay, so when you are going to read book, you have to map also. You have to look the maps. Okay, then the very easily you can understand. Here I can explain you in brief. There is a Karakoram range. Okay, it is an upper in the Jammu and Kashmir part. There is a range. It is named as Karakoram. Okay, and in this Karakoram range, you will get the highest mountain peak of Himalaya. Generally, you know that the Mount Everest. The Mount Everest is located, but it is located in Nepal, not in India, which is the highest mountain peak of the world, which is located in Himalaya. Himalaya is completely a mountain range. Okay, but the highest peak which is located in the Nepal section, which is Mount Everest. Same like that in the Karakoram range, there is a highest mountain peak which is named as K2, which is also called as Godwin Austen. Okay, and the large glacier Siachen is also located there. So I hope it is clear. But before it, you also know that there is a Himalaya which is divided into 3 parts: the Greater Himalaya, Lesser Himalaya, and the Outer Himalaya. Just like this is the mountain range. Just let me explain you. This is the mountain range in India, and like that it is like a structure. So the mountain which is are in the 3 series. Okay, in the 3 series it means the upper one it is the highest, and then this like that, and this like that. Okay, so there are 3 ranges. This 3 series we can say that the Himalaya is like that. It is in 3 series: 1, then 2, then it is 3. According to height it is named as, just like first one, it is the Greater Himalaya, which is also generally local language called as Himadri. How much it is heights? The mountain ranges heights is 6,000 meter. The second one, the Lesser Himalaya, which is named as Himachal. Okay, not Himachal Pradesh. Yes, Himachal. In Himachal, there is a state named as Himachal Pradesh. Okay, so it is general name is Himachal, but generally called as Lesser Himalaya. And their mountain ranges height is 4,500 meter. And the last one, it is Outer Himalaya. Just remember, this is the one mountain range. Okay, this is the second mountain range. and this is the third, but it is outer one from here, 1, 2 and 3. That's why it is called outer, not this is the outer one. Okay, remember, outer one it is from the inner one side. I hope it is clear. And their height is 12,500 1250 meter. And they are having also special characteristics. It has a peak Mount Everest, and hill station it is like Shimla, Manali, Darjeeling. In the it is called dunes. Okay, just like a Dehradun, it is not dams, it is written wrong in the book. It is the dunes. It means there are two mountain ranges, there is a flat surface is located, this is called the dunes. Okay, these are the dunes. Okay, so Dehradun is also located, which is also a hill station. So this is all about the Himalaya mountain. Second one, after this Himalaya mountain in India, just like this is the map of India. Okay, this is the map of India. So you know that here it is the Himalaya. After Himalaya there is a part, this part it is completely named as the plain. It is called also northern plain, and this plain is also divided on the base of river. Okay, along with the river it is named differently. Just like there is a Indus plain, it means it is drained by the Indus and its tributary like Chenab, Jhelum, Ravi, Beas and Satluj. Same like that, there is a Ganga plain, which is named that Ganga, and their tributary Yamuna, Ghagra, Gandak and Kosi. And third one, it is the Brahmaputra plain. It is drained by Brahmaputra and its tributary like Subansiri, Bhadri, Manas and Tista. Now see, this is the India part. So first of all, just like Indus, so here this Punjab and Haryana part, this is Indus plain. Here it is, there's a Ganga river, so this completely plain, it is called the Ganga plain. And from here part there is a, in the east part there is a Brahmaputra river. So along with this part it is called the Brahmaputra plain. So this complete part it is called as the northern plain. Okay, and in this northern plain there are three categories. Along with this, there are rivers and their tributaries. Sorry. Next one, it is the peninsular plateau. Plateau, you know that, which is very largest plateau. It is like that, which is the Deccan plateau. But before this, there is also a Malwa plateau. So the above one, it is the Malwa plateau, and then this triangular part, which is in India. Okay, this India part. This the triangular part, which is the called Deccan plateau. You can see that here there is a Malwa plateau. In this Malwa plateau, there are also some mountain ranges like Aravali, Bundelkhand, Vindhya, and then Baghelkhand. Okay, so Bundelkhand and Baghelkhand, there are also two parts, and then Vindhyanchal and Aravali. Now see in the location. If you see in the map of India, so this is the map of India. So here you can locate the Aravali range, then Vindhya range, then there is a Satpura range, and here you can see there is a Baghelkhand and Bundelkhand. Here there are two locations here, Bundelkhand and Baghelkhand, which is also located in the part of Malwa plateau. Okay, this Malwa plateau is completely, and below it there is a triangular part which is called as Deccan plateau. In the map section I already explained all the things, only you have to remember the names which you have to learn. Okay, in Deccan plateau you can also see that there is a Western Ghat and Eastern Ghat. I already explained you. In the Western Ghat there are also Sahyadri, Nilgiri, Cardamom. Okay, the Cardamom hills. Okay, in the Eastern Ghat there is a hills broken in deltas. So in this is a triangular part. It is a Deccan plateau, Western Ghat and Eastern Ghat, because after that I told you there is some plain is started. The plain is started. So this is the highland. So that's why it is a mountains like structure. Okay, so this is called Eastern and Western Ghats. Ghats, generally you know that there is a sloping area, there is a highland, and just when the highland is ending, so this ending part it is called the Ghats. Okay, so I hope this part is also clear. Once you read, you can understand all the things. Already in map I already clear all the things, only here you have to understand the concept. Then next one, it is the our Thar desert. In the Indian map you know that this is the part, and this. So here this part in the Rajasthan area. In this area there is a Thar desert. The Thar desert, generally it is located here. This is the Aravalli range, and after that this complete area, some part also in Pakistan, the half portion it is in Pakistan, even the maximum portion it is in Pakistan, only few part which is in India. And it's just like here it is written that lies to the west of Aravalli. So this is the Aravalli, and the west part of this it is the Thar desert. In the Luni and Sambhar lake, there are two very important lakes which is located in this Rajasthan region. It is named as Luni and Sambhar lake. The Sambhar lake is also the largest water bodies. Okay, where the amount of salt is very high. Okay, so this is Sambhar lake which is located in Rajasthan area in the Thar desert. Next one, it is the coastal plain. Where is the coastal plain? I told this is the Eastern Ghat and this is the Western Ghat. After Eastern Ghat and Western Ghat, there is a slope area. This slope area is called coastal plain. But remember, here is only mentioned the Konkan coast and Malabar coast. But remember, there is also one coast. It is a Kathiawar, which is in Gujarat region, Kathiawar coast. Then after that, there is a Konkan coast, and then there is a Malabar coast. So this part is called as, okay, this is named as. So the Konkan coast, on the in this year you have given only two, the Konkan. So it is a western coastal plain, narrow strip bordered by the Western Ghats in Arabian Sea, merges with the Gujarat plain, as I already explained you. In the Malabar coast, eastern coastal plain, wide plains bordered by the Eastern Ghats, a Bay of Bengal, and merge with Ganga and Brahmaputra delta. Malabar. Actually, the name is written wrong here. The Malabar is not here. Okay, the Malabar is not mentioned in the Eastern Ghats. The Malabar is here. Okay, which is in the Kerala region. These names should be the Northern Sirkars. The name is, okay, just correct it. It is called as Northern Sirkars. So you just remember about these Northern Sirkars. So just remember these. If you just see that hit in the western part, there is a Kathiawar, then there is a Konkan, this is Konkan coast, and then there is a Malabar coast. But here it is named as, just remember this part it is called as Coromandel. Okay, just remember this is the Coromandel, and after that there is a Northern Sirkas which I explained you. This is the Northern Sirkas. But you just understand here on the place of, you just write down the Northern Sirkars, or either you can write Coromandel coast. The name is written but the explanation is correct. Okay. Then the last one, it is the islands. The islands, just like in the, here there are Lakshadweep and here it is Andaman and Nicobar. These are also the part of India. So this Lakshadweep lies in the Arabian Sea. Here it is the Arabian Sea. Here it is the Bay of Bengal, and here it is the Indian Ocean. So it is located in the Arabian Sea. And this Andaman Nicobar located in the Bay of Bengal. So lies in the Arabian Sea. No need to learn. Formed by the corals. Yes, here the corals are also formed. Corals are the creatures. The, okay. So just go and read about this in detail. These are the small creatures. Even in biology you also study about this, the small creatures. They also formed islands. Even some islands are also formed only due to these corals. These are the sea creatures. Okay, the living beings in the ocean. The next one, it is the Andaman and Nicobar Island, which is lies in Bay of Bengal. I told this is the Bay of Bengal. This is the Arabian Sea. So no need to learn. If you learn the map, then it is very easy. No need to learn. Then formed by peaks of the submerged volcanic mountain. Yes, there is also one volcano which is located in our Andaman Nicobar Island. So here it is the volcanic region is there in our India, Andaman Nicobar, and this is a coral. So this is all about that, the physical division of India. As I already mentioned you in the starting, once before watching this video, you have to read book. In book, there are so many names are coming. There are so many details are also present. Okay, so you have to go through it. And about, there is also one drainage about the rivers. in the last time I already explained about it in the map. Most of the things I already covered in first lecture, which is of the map. So if you are not watching that, you have to must watch that first map video. Then first of all you have to read the book. After that, this chapter is very easy for you, and you have to learn the names. You have to learn map, you have to read the map. If you learn the map, you read the map, you understand the map, the whole chapter is easy. And in this chapter, on the place of explanation, on the place of making you learn, the main thing it is you have to learn map, you have to watch map again and again. So then it is very easy for you this chapter. Otherwise you feel this chapter is very difficult. So it is completely based on map. So it's my kind request, please read all the maps. Thank you so much. I hope this lecture it is clear for you now. If still you are having any problem, dikkat, pareshani, duvidha, shanka, trouble, whatever you are, it's my humble request, right? I will try to answer it. Thank you so much.